Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload files on a Google Drive, whether it's being a single file or a whole folder. I'm going to show you how to do this. If you are doing this on a mobile phone too, I think you should stick with the procedure. It's very simple and similar. So to do this, you can see this is my interface here. I tap on this plus dot here and you can see I can upload a file which is a single file, and this is for folder and this is for slide, sheet and document. So now let me start with the single file upload. So let me select this and now I open it something like this. So I upload it. I already have it there, that's why they are giving me that prompt. But then I upload another version, you can see, so it's done here. So now let me show you guys how to upload a folder which contains a lot of files. So now we select the folder here. Good. So you can see I have this tutorial here. I just created it. You can see it contains 2 files, that's why they are prompting me. So something like that, it's uploading and show the 2 files have been uploaded. That's it, very much simple and easy. So now you move to your recent to find this uploaded files here. You can see, so these are the 2 files in that folder I uploaded. You can see this is the name of the folder, tutorial. So I'm going to show you how you can create folders on your Google Drive as well. So you can group all these folders, very much nice and professional. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.